007 First Light not loading, stuck on loading screen on PC. Not push 1. Restart your PC. Close 07 First Light completely. Restart your computer, launch the game again, check if the loading screen issue is resolved. Number 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to your library, right-click 07 First Light, select Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish. Number 3, run the game as administrator. Right-click the game executable, select Run as Administrator, accept the prompt, launch the game again. Number 4, update graphics drivers. Press Windows X, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, update your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver, restart your PC. 5, disable overlay applications. Disable Steam overlay, turn off Discord overlay, disable Xbox Game Bar, close MSI Afterburner and RivaTuner, relaunch the game. 6. Check internet connection. Restart your router, use a wired connection if possible, disable VPN or proxy services, launch the game again. 7. Install DirectX and Visual C+ Redistributables, download and install the latest DirectX runtime, install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables, restart your PC, launch the game. Number 8, free up storage space. Open Settings, Storage, delete temporary files, ensure enough free disk space is available, restart the game. Number 9, delete temporary cache files. Press Windows plus R, type the sent 10%, delete temporary files, restart your PC, launch the game again. Number 10, reinstall the game. Uninstall 07 First Light, restart your computer, download and install the latest version, launch the game after installation.